Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi A5 side mirror. First, adjust the mirror glass to tilt inward at the top. This creates space to get your fingertips under the lower edge. Gently but firmly pull the mirror glass away from its clips. You might hear a snapping sound as it releases. Once detached, you will find two electrical terminals on the back of the glass. Carefully disconnect these, ensuring not to damage the fragile connections. Now, place the mirror glass somewhere safe to prevent any accidental breakage. Next, we need to access the mirror's mounting points and wiring. Begin by opening the car's front door. Locate and remove the small plastic cover near the door handle, often revealing screws underneath. Use a Torx T25 key to unscrew these fasteners. With the screws removed, gently pry the door panel away from the frame using a plastic trim tool. Be mindful of the clips holding it in place. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors and the door handle cable to fully free the panel. Now that the door panel is off, you can access the mirror assembly itself. You will typically find 3 screws holding the mirror assembly to the door frame. These often require a Torx T30 bit for removal. Once these 3 screws are out, carefully pull the entire mirror assembly away from the door. Before it's completely free, remember to disconnect the main electrical harness. This harness supplies power to all the mirror's functions, including heating and adjustment. Take your time to ensure a clean disconnection. To reinstall your Audi A5 side mirror, simply reverse the steps we just covered. First, connect the main electrical harness to the new mirror assembly. Then, carefully position the mirror and secure it with the 3 Torx screws. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel and reattach the door handle cable. Align the door panel clips and firmly press it back onto the door frame. Finally, replace any trim pieces and screws. Always test all mirror functions, like adjustment and heating, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.